Roasted cauliflower and potato wraps recipe. Yield, 4 large wraps. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 40 minutes. Total time, 50 minutes. Ingredients: 3 medium potatoes, cut into 1 cm (1/2" cubes. 1/2 medium head cauliflower, broken into bite-sized florets. 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, garlic powder. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon paprika powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground pepper. 4 large whole grain wraps (GF if desired). 1 cup 225 grams hummus, store-bought or homemade. 1 avocado, thinly sliced. 1/2 medium English cucumber, diced. 12 cherry tomatoes, cut in half. 1/4 cup 30 grams green olives, chopped, optional. 2 cups 60 grams raw spinach. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 205 C 400 F. Toss potatoes and cauliflower in oil, then add the spices and toss to combine. Spread evenly on a baking sheet lined with baking paper, and roast for 50 minutes, stopping to stir halfway. 2. Assemble the wraps and add in the fillings, including the roasted cauliflower and potato when finished. Enjoy! Notes: 1. Variations: add any other veggies to roast like red bell peppers or sweet potatoes. Fill up your wrap with any other fillings you desire. 2. Speed it up: store-bought hummus is faster than homemade, and batch prepare the potatoes and cauliflower in advance for a quicker meal. 3. Storage: store roasted veggies in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.